Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are fine and they are enjoying their lives. My dear friends, I am welcoming here all of you with the new video, and this video is going to give you very beautiful and amazing design and ideas collection of crochet baby vest. These baby vests are so beautiful and these look so pretty. My dear friends, when it comes to baby's dressing or baby's clothes, it is very important to consider that which kind of fabric are we using for our kids' clothing, which kind of things are we using for our baby's dressing, because it is important to consider that either these things are going to give them comfort, going to give them beauty, elegance and all the things in a single piece of clothing or not, because kids are so delicate kind of creation and they are so innocent, they are so little. We have to just consider them like flowers. They are delicate like flowers, they are so cute and so innocent, and we have to be very careful while choosing the dressing for them. During winters we have to keep our kids warm and make them feel cozy so that they may not get sick and they may not get flu and other type of seasonal kind of sickness. And in this regard we have to pay an important type of attention to the dressing. For example, if they are going to wear something heavy or not. Sometimes it happens that we want to make the kids feel warmer and cozy, but they feel that the dressing is so heavier and the kids make themselves or feel themselves irritated, and they don't want to wear those heavier kind of clothes. So at that time you can use these baby vests. These are elegant, these are cute, and your kids would be loving to wear them. And one important thing is that they are so adorable. They add style as well as comfort because they are made of crochet, and crochet is all the time beneficial and comfortable for your kids. So if you are looking for the ideas to keep your babies warmer during the season when it is not too hot and not too cold, because sometimes the temperature level is moderate and we keep thinking and we get confused about the things that what to wear, and especially the adults and the mature persons can manage during any kind of seasons easily because they have a strong immune system and so many other things. They are sensible, they can handle the things. But when it comes to kids, they are not enough wise, so they must be kept carefully and they must be dressed carefully, and we have to be very conscious while choosing the dressing for them. So these baby vests are beautiful. These are in elegant different styles. Some are in circular designs, some are in rectangular designs, some are in different square kind of jacket designs, and these all are so cute and beautiful. And these, along with the design and pattern ideas, are also here to give you some color contrast ideas so that you can choose the best color for your kids. And some are also showing the shoes with this matching. You can see this one in a circular kind of a design is so beautiful, and this would look elegant. This is not something that is heavy. And when it comes to kid, moms often feel worried about washing the clothes, because kids are not so wise and they are at an age that they make their clothes dirty often while playing outside and doing such activities that make them feel happier. So these crochet made beautiful and elegant vest of kids are easy to wash. You don't have to be get worried about washing them. You don't need to make them dry cleaned, or you don't have to take them to the markets, or you don't have to use any powerful detergents and such kind of tricks to clean them or remove the stains from them. Just take care of one thing, that the kids are not going or using any kind of harmful materials while playing, and be cautious for them. And during these days of pandemic, take care of them and keep them inside and do not let them go outside. Ask them to wash hands again and again, and the newborns and the other ones also. Take care of them, take care of all the people that are around you, and make beautiful clothing for your children. And thank you so much for watching me. And if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching me.